Hello, I welcome you to yet another session with the goddesses. Goddesses are waiting to communicate with you messages that will bring more life into your life. So let's see what the goddesses have to share with us this fortnight. Our first card for this fortnight is Goddess Nematona. Goddess Nematona is the goddess of sacred spaces. She requests us to connect with different kind of sacred spaces. Some of us who are familiar with visiting, let's say, places of religious importance, be it temples or gurudwaras or mosques or cathedrals, churches, you're welcome to use this fortnight to connect with divine power by visiting and connecting with such sacred spaces. Light a candle, light a lamp, chant if you do, say your prayers if you want to. So that kind of a sacred space connect is being advised. Besides that, Nematona also is telling us that connect with the sacred space that lies within you. Each one of us has a space inside of us that we find most comfort in. We find a lot of solace, a lot of peace when we go in that space. That space is inside of you. One more way of creating sacredness in your environment is through decluttering. So make sure that you sanctify your space, daily living space, your workspace, by decluttering and removing all that you don't need. The minute you declutter, you are removing from your immediate environment all chaos and all old energy that has no space in your space. Our second card for this fortnight is Goddess Aracura. Aracura is the goddess of blossoming. What Nematona and Aracura are right now telling us connectedly is that if there are any dreams, aspirations, achievements that you have been working towards, you have put your effort into it, you put your heart into it, you put your entire soul and spirit into it, well, now is the time you will see that blossom. So, being in a sacred space and being patient is going to give you the best results that you have worked so hard towards. Our third card for this fortnight is Goddess Mavu. She is the goddess Earth herself. How interesting if you can, by now I am sure, connect the reading for yourself, that this fortnight you are supposed to connect with sacred space within and outside of yourself and make your spaces and your environment also sacred. And Mother Earth gives more strength to this message by saying that you will find your sacred space and your blossoming when you connect with Mother Earth. Also, connecting with Mother Earth would be working with crystals. I personally work a lot with crystals, and whenever Mother Earth appears in my personal readings, I always make it a point to work more with healing crystals. So if you are interested in crystals or you like being around them, well, this fortnight is a very fortunate time for you to start learning more about crystals, working more with Mother Earth energies. So now, to have an overview of the reading for this fortnight, let me help you connect the messages. So Nematona is asking us to find a sacred space and also to sanctify the current environment we live in. And Aracura is holding our hand and giving us the assurance and saying that you are so ready for blossoming, but you will need patience for that. And how will you find patience? When you go within yourself, find your inner space and stay there and be at peace. And Mother Earth is requesting you to remember to ground yourself through everything. You can ground yourself by meditations, sitting on earth. That will also help you connect with inner space, with crystals. So all elements of energies that are all about sacredness, about blossoming and grounding. How interesting that this fortnight is only and only about finding who you are. What better moments can you ask for yourself? Please have a beautiful, blessed fortnight. My prayers are with each one of you. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Keep shining. Namaste.